Avintadis. Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we explored the role of physical relaxation in Yoga Nidra. Today, we turn our attention to the breath. Breathing is always with us. It continues while we work, while we rest, while we sleep. Because it is always present, it becomes a reliable anchor for awareness. Many people arrive at Yoga Nidra believing they need to breathe in a special way, a deeper breath, a slower breath, a more controlled breath. In Yoga Nidra, we usually begin somewhere much simpler. We observe the breath that is already here. There is no ideal rhythm to create, no pattern to master. The breath becomes an object of observation. Some days, breathing feels slow and steady. Some days it feels shorter or less regular. Both experiences can be observed. As attention settles on breathing, people often notice subtle changes. The breath may become quieter. The body may become less active. The pauses between breaths may become easier to notice. These changes sometimes happen naturally. They do not need to be produced. Another thing you may discover is that breathing feels clearer in one area of the body than another. For some people, the sensation is strongest at the nostrils, the feeling of air moving in and out. For others, it is the movement of the chest, or the gentle rise and fall of the abdomen. There is no preferred location. Choose the place where breathing feels easiest to notice. That place becomes your anchor, a point of return whenever attention moves elsewhere. In the next lesson, we will spend less time discussing the breath and more time observing it. You will rest comfortably, follow the natural movement of breathing, and explore longer periods of quiet awareness. Thank you for joining me. I will see you in lesson 2.2, Yoga Nidra with breath awareness.